The upcoming iPad mini 7 is poised to redefine the compact tablet market. Anticipated for release in October 2024, it will be equipped with the powerful A17 chip, previously featured in the iPhone 15 Pro. This substantial upgrade will significantly enhance performance, enabling seamless multitasking and demanding app execution. Moreover, the iPad mini 7 will boast a generous 8GB of RAM, double the capacity of its predecessor. This memory boost will further contribute to a smooth and responsive user experience. In terms of storage, the base model will offer a substantial 128GB capacity, again doubling the storage options available in the iPad mini 6. While the iPad mini 7 won't feature an OLED display, it will still deliver a visually stunning experience with a Promotion Tech display. This technology ensures a remarkably smooth 120Hz refresh rate, resulting in fluid animations and minimal lag. It's important to note that the iPad mini 7 will not adopt the foldable form factor. However, its compact design, coupled with the aforementioned powerful hardware, will undoubtedly appeal to those seeking a portable and capable tablet. Apple is gearing up to unveil its latest flagship smartphone, the iPhone 15 Pro, in October 2024. This highly anticipated device is expected to deliver a remarkable performance boost thanks to its powerful A17 Bionic chip. The A17 Bionic chip, designed specifically for the iPhone 15 Pro, promises to offer lightning-fast processing speeds and exceptional energy efficiency, ensuring a smooth and responsive user experience. To complement the powerful processor, the iPhone 15 Pro will feature 8GB of RAM, allowing for seamless multitasking and effortless handling of demanding applications. Whether you're switching between multiple apps, editing high-resolution photos, or playing graphics-intensive games, the ample RAM will ensure a lag-free performance. For storage, the base model of the iPhone 15 Pro is rumored to come with 128GB of internal storage. This generous storage capacity will provide ample space for your photos, videos, apps, and other files, allowing you to store and access your digital content without worrying about running out of room. It's important to note that these details are based on current rumors and speculations. The final specifications and release date of the iPhone 15 Pro may differ from what is currently anticipated. Apple has not officially confirmed any details about the device, so it's advisable to wait for an official announcement from the company. For accurate and up-to-date information, the iPad mini 7 is poised to offer a compact yet powerful tablet experience. Equipped with a traditional LCD, it's likely to provide a vibrant and clear visual output, ideal for various tasks. While it may lack the cutting-edge foldable technology seen in some high-end devices, its smaller form factor makes it highly portable and convenient for on-the-go use. The iPad mini 7 is poised to make a significant splash in the tech world as anticipation for its release reaches fever pitch. Apple has consistently refined its mini tablet series, delivering devices that seamlessly blend power and portability. The upcoming iPad mini 7 is expected to continue this trend, offering a host of enhancements that will undoubtedly captivate tech enthusiasts. One of the most anticipated upgrades for the iPad mini 7 is a substantial boost to its processor. This will enable the device to handle demanding tasks with ease, from multitasking to running resource-intensive apps. Additionally, improvements to the camera system are expected, potentially featuring a higher resolution sensor and enhanced low-light performance. This will elevate the iPad mini 7's capabilities for photography and video recording. Overall, the iPad mini 7 promises to be a compelling option for those seeking a compact yet powerful tablet. Its combination of portability and performance makes it an ideal choice for both work and play. As we eagerly await its official release, I encourage you to share your thoughts and questions in the comments section below. Your feedback is invaluable in helping me refine and improve this article, ensuring that it provides you with the most accurate and informative information possible. Please let me know if there are specific areas you would like me to explore further, or if you have any additional insights to contribute. Your participation will help ensure that this article continues to be a valuable resource for readers.